Okay, we got everything here where we kind of want it for now. Got the mouth where we want it. So we need to put in as our pieces for our neck. So I've cut out 3 blocks here. We're going to glue those together. And then those will get glued into here for our neck. So we'll glue these together, let them dry, and then we can sand them down and then glue them into the side of the neck. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Now we're going to let this dry overnight, and then we can come back and sand it down. Thanks for watching.